Offshore outsourcing versus hiring in-house teams, which will be best for your business? 78% of businesses worldwide feel buoyant about outsourcing partners. By 2025, global offshore IT outsourcing will be worth $397.6 billion. Around 51% of small businesses prefer hiring new employees means building an in-house team. In-house teams work for an organization rather than working outside the firm. They are often more efficient and can help maintain a strong sense of culture. Full control. Better quality. Work instantly. In-depth understanding. High cost. Getaway issue. Time taking. Offshore outsourcing is when a company hires a remote team to do work for them instead of hiring employees in-house. Access to experts. Economic efficiency. Competitive advantage. Faster turnaround time. Time zone differences. Communication and language barriers. Geopolitical unrest. Offshore outsourcing versus hiring in-house teams, things to consider before making a decision. Which option you are going to pick, hiring in-house team or offshore outsourcing? Confused? Connect with ValueCoders experts to make the right decision for your corporation.